today with Tea with Bree, we're going to be reviewing some of my favorite products that I've recently tested from Sephora, that I've gotten in samples, trials, and one that I did test a while back and went back and got a full bottle of. So, stay tuned. So this isn't from Sephora, but I definitely like to do something more exfoliating at night, because just, you know, during the day you outside, you wear makeup, whatever the case, I just like to get a real good scrub in. So this is what I've been using recently at night. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all. The Glow Dark Spot Toner. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This name is a little difficult, but we're gonna try Ole Herinskin. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, I actually got a sample of this maybe like a month ago, and I went back to Sephora to go buy the full size because it worked that well, you guys. I used it for about 2 weeks, and it's really good for preventing any blemishes or hyperpigmentation that you may get, especially with our little melanin-friendly girls, you know. So it really helps balance and even out the skin tone. I definitely use this after I cleanse at night only. And then I go on with my serums and moisturizers. And with the toner, I'm gonna go on with, this is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans. This is one that I swear by, you guys. If you can try this, try it. If you can buy it, buy it. I had the full-size bottle before, but baby girl has some real bills and tickets to pay off. We ain't gonna talk about that right now. So I had to go get a sample because it's a good $100 and something is what it retails for. You'll notice a lot of really just great texture and clarity. It improves, you know, any dark marks and hyperpigmentation as well. So really look up this one and try it out. This one is the Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. And you guys, because you know how the winter your skin be real crusty. The next morning my skin is soft, my makeup goes on so smooth. So this is a must-have for the winter time. Okay, so what I really like to do is get a little moisturizer, a little dime size. I've got a round face, so we're gonna do a little dime and a half. And then this argan oil is the Josie Marin. Probably butchered his name, but the point is, this one's from Sephora and it's really good. So I usually get any type of moisturizer and drop about 2 drops of argan oil in it as well. It just really helps with everything when you're really feeling more dry than usual, you guys. And I wake up and my skin is all soft and glowy. Y'all about my girl tea tree drip. Like, she has to have her tea tree oil. Yes, ma'am. And I personally like this one from Trader Joe's because I feel like it's not like mixed with a whole lot of random stuff. It's as pure as I can find it, to be honest. But I always go in on top of a blemish with a little tea tree. This fixes everything, a little bit of everything, okay? Your skin might help you with your man. Might fix your credit. I'm still working on that one. I feel like, you know, it works for so long. So make sure you guys go ahead and get a tester of this if you can, or a sample, and a little tea tree, you know. Just gonna put that out there. Just when I tell you, like, they work really fast. Like, you can feel it, especially the Sunday Riley one. You really notice that the next morning when you wake up. And I really noticed after 2 weeks, just the overall clearness of my face with the toner. Obviously the argan oil is really great for moisture as well. So I really suggest you guys go ahead and try this out. Let it fix your life, bless your skin. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next video.